I'll be sharing a 7-minute video on my trip to Japan. Flying from Life is Here, Davao City. At bago lumipad, kain muna tayo ng pastil. And of course, my favorite spot, the window seat. I didn't know kung ano ang gagawin ko sa Japan, basta ang gusto ko lang pumunta ng Japan. And here from Davao City to Manila and Manila to Osaka, Japan. Yan binivideo ko kasi pangarap kong makasakay ng ganyang plane someday. And while yung iba nag-enjoy, natutulog, ako natatakot kasi hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, paano ako magsusurvive ng 9 days dito sa Japan. Plus 2 days ago pa lang nililift yung mega quick advisory. I don't know what will happen. Everybody seems calm, kaya dapat kalmahan ko lang to at i-enjoy na lang kung anong meron, anong makikita at ang lugar. Because it's already been prayed and it's been granted, kaya sige, relax and enjoy na lang talaga. This is Kansai Airport. Ito yung airport ng Osaka, Japan, na nasa gitna ng dagat. Para pumunta sa accommodation, I took the airport limousine bus. The ticket, you can buy it online or meron din naman sa airport or nasa mga kiosk naman anywhere. It's accessible. And while riding the bus, medyo kinikilabutan ako kasi it's surrounded with water. Sabi ko, what if nagka-earthquake? And then I'm here. I don't know. Pero sabi nila, nobody understands earthquake more than Japanese. So, yeah, kailangan ko maging kalma dahil ako yung nagta-travel solo. And nung na-reach ko na itong city proper nila, I can't help myself but to be awestruck. Ang tataas, ang tatayog ng mga building, sobrang advanced, sobrang ganda. So ikaw, ano na, magplano ka na, pumunta ka na dito, book your flight. Because hindi naman siya ganun talaga ka-expensive. Expensive lang itong ticket na nakuha ko kasi kinuha ko siya 1 week before my flight. For some reasons, ganun. Pero if you book your ticket ahead, like promo fare, mura lang talaga. And if you're visiting another country, expect you're gonna walk 100 miles. I don't know, pinicturean ko sila kasi akala ko nagagas up. Manol be like. I'm crossing to reach my accommodation and I hear the background birds. Welcome to my first Japanese home. My home for 1 night. And this is it. Entering my room. Binook ko siya because nakalagay Japanese style with a tatami mat. And that's it. Welcome. It's a typical Japanese room na yung nakikita ko dati sa Japanese horror movies. That's it. Maliit lang. With a TV, my free kimono, and to maximize my limited time here in Osaka, I had a walking therapy. Wala din akong tubig, kaya yun, naglakad-lakad around the city, exploring. Madami sana ditong pabentang souvenir, pero hindi ako bumili kasi sabi ko I'll be visiting 3 cities. So, dadagdag pa ako sa bag ko. Baka mamatay na ako pagdating ng Tokyo. Pero yung totoo, wala akong perang pambili. And Osaka, hindi kayo mahihirapan makipag-usap sa local people kasi ang daming foreigner dito. So, they know how to converse with the foreigner. Hello, uncle. Okay ra ka? Medyo lang tagpuro at ani kay bawal mang medium naong sa tawo, ara na lang paypay. Entering the first konbini in Japan para mopalit og tubig. Pero cook di ay ito. Ito yung subway nila. I'm here to Mumbai para din pinag-aaralan ko how to navigate Osaka. Pagitsud. Yang tunog na yan is dahil i-close nila yung road dahil may dadaan na train. Pakinggang mabuti at sabihin kung ano ang naaalala mo. Ang cute ng train na drawing pa. See? Gusto ko may ganito sa kwarto. Yan ang epekto dahil nakaligo sa onsen para makompleto ang Japanese experience. Wala ng video doon kasi bawal, everybody's naked. This is in Osaka, Japan's building. Still a skyscraper. Delicate ang poste. So Japan, why not? It's safe. Ohayo gozaimasu. The next stop is Kyoto.